Hello everybody, welcome back to Bendy Lone Wolf. We are continuing where we left off. We collected all the scraps. We unleashed the Butcher Gang. We've gotten 2 weapons. What else? What else did we do? We played through the studio floor and the artist's rest floor. And we're gonna play in the abyss floor. We also got, half of those, whatever they are, cause I don't know what they are. So yeah, let's play in the abyss. I'm assuming the projectionist is here, so. Yup, I knew it. Oh no. No, I don't want to do luck. No. Oh my god. Oh boy. Wait, is that? Oh, that's Fisher. He's dead. Hello, Fisher. Okay. But that's not fit. That's not the projectionist. I thought it was gonna be the projectionist. Why the hell is Bendy here? He tricked me. This game tricked me. I thought it was gonna be the projectionist. It's fine. He is confirmed to be in the game. Oh. Okay, I'm sure that heart is gonna be the key to unlocking the projectionist. Oh, what the? It's the bat creature from that teaser. From the combat teaser. I like how they're introducing new enemies in this game. Okay. I've been up here. What do I get? What am I doing? Have I been this way? I don't think I have, but... Okay. I need a bacon soup thing. Like I need it. Is he coming this way? Oh god, he is. And he's leaving. If I'm being honest, I'd rather you, like, go on the other side of that hall. But I guess not. Okay. There's another heart. Oh crap. Oh no. I have no idea where I'm at. Where am I? What's happening? Oh god, he's right there. He's right there. I'm gonna have to juke him. Oh! Okay. 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 I did it. I did it. I did it. I did it. Okay. I haven't found any other fuses yet. We'll go in the abyss again. I'll try finding the fuses soon. I don't know. Okay. Oh, hi. I wasn't really a fan of these levels in Dark Survival. Oh, hi. And I unblocked at the worst time. Are you kidding me? Okay. Okay, another heart. Okay, yeah, the hearts are probably the key to unlocking the projectionist. So that's how you're able to go against him in these levels. What I need is an ink demon versus projectionist fight. I haven't seen the ink demon yet. Oh, I hear him. Have I been up here? I've been up there. Okay, no. Okay, nothing. Even more nothing. Okay, another heart. Ow! That hurt. Thanks for the soup, though. Oh god! That's a dead end. Okay. How did he see me? Okay, my main goals for this video is potentially getting all of the fuses and unlocking the projectionist. Okay, slug. It was kind of smart of them to make this. Now I think about it, it's kind of smart for them to not make this a projectionist exclusive level. Okay, there's a searcher. Hi, searcher. I don't want to deal with you right now. Go away. Oh. Oh, there's an elevator button. That was fast. Okay. That was so risky. He's right behind me. Oh my god. There's a searcher. The ink demon and a searcher is chasing me. Oh my god. Okay. Okay. Lower levels. Now time to find out what the lower levels are. I need to know. Is it projectionist? No. Oh. Why not? Let's do it. Nice. These are the Alice levels. The Boris clones. Oh no. Safe house tape. So obviously, collect all the tapes and stuff. That's how you unlock Alice as an enemy. Ooh. New room that wasn't in Dark Survival. Like obviously this yeah. Like you know guys, you know what I'm talking about. Oh right. Oh, you can't. You can't get in there. Wow. Okay. I don't know where I'm going, man. I don't know if you can find multiple safe house tapes, unless I did find another one and I'm just dumb and I forgot. Should have known this is what the lower levels were. I don't know how I didn't figure that out. Okay, so you can find multiple safe house tapes. Sorry. What? Okay, excuse me, but they were already in, so therefore they couldn't have hurt me, but they did anyway. Oh god, hi. Oh no, not those guys. The widows are gonna be so bad to deal with. I'm so like, oh no. Did I search in that? Yes, I have. Alright. I will, like, listen to the tapes again. Specifically because, like, I do want, like, in case there were people who haven't listened to them. Like, people who haven't played Boris in the Dark Survival, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? I remember this room type. There should be a locker right here. Yeah. Damn it. I was literally about to say I haven't seen the demon the entire time, and then he appears right as I'm about to say it. Please don't see me. I wish, like, the cutouts being destroyed. I wish the cutouts being destroyed was like a distraction or something. That would be cool. How did you see me? Thank goodness for that 2x stamina, right? There's only one more item to go. I think, like, after I listen to, like, 2 tapes or something like that, like, I'll, like, go get the odd fuses. Like, I'll try to find all the odd fuses, and then I'll go projectionist hunting. Oh, whatever. There's a miracle condition right there, so. Hi. Don't kill me. Okay. It's a good thing he wasn't mad. Ow. I'll just grab it and go. Okay. Where are the Butcher Gang? Where's the Butcher Gang? I unlocked them out of their case and they're not here. Okay.
I don't know why I'm even recording this, but I don't know what else to do. Please, whoever you may be, I need your help. My name is Mila. Several days ago, I got lost down in this terrible place. There are monsters here. Things I can't even describe. They're all trying to kill me. I can hear them outside. Please look for my messages. Please, come find me. My father was a butcher. Rest his soul. My mother and I had only each other while I was growing up. She taught me how to be resilient, strong. But now, I am afraid of that demon outside my door. I saw so many things dismembered in my father's butcher shop. I'm having images of myself ending up as they did, their bodies broken and pulled apart. Please come find me.
Will do, Milla. I don't know if you guys know, wait. I thought I opened this. I opened that, didn't I? Alright, so you got 2 mystery boxes down. Now I'm gonna save. Equip the baseball bat. Okay. I'm gonna go back to Artist's Rest and try finding the oh. I selected Artist's Rest. Oh no. Boss? Oh my god. Ow, that hurt. Where's he going? Get back over here. No, you can't do that. No. Get over here. You can't do that. Can I destroy this? I don't think I can destroy it. Okay, he's healing up. And I'm out of stamina. Oh, goody. What? He's over here. Oh my god. Are you kidding me? Oh, goody. I died. Huh. Okay, I guess I can go to Artist's Rest again now. Or I'll try to. Oh. Oh, I have to beat him. Oh, it's Alice this time. Okay, so it is Alice. There is an Alice. Can you hurt me? You don't get to do that. Defeat your first boss. Technical terror. Arcade key found. So he's dead. Or she's dead. So I can leave now, right? Huh. Cool. That's actually cool. That's cool. Okay. So arcade key found. So. Oh wait, hold on. First, I should probably save. I should do that first. Wait, hold on. Is Bendy Land only a boss level? I hope not. I hope it's a normal level, cause that was fun. Like, it was a good level. Okay. The Bertram special unlocked the arcade. Oh. So these are only... Oh. What's this?
I'm working with scraps here. Ever since our robotics budget was terminated by that junior accountant, Mr. Cole, we've spent our time focusing on more simple amusements for this so-called Grand Park Dreams. Every day, it seems, Mr. Drew loses more and more interest in the project. Almost as if something else has captured his imagination. But I, for one, am proud of the work we've accomplished. These new Midway games we've developed will be cherished and replicated for years to come. Long after the name of Joey Drew turns into insignificant dust. Bertram Piedmont will not be held back by quitters.
So we need the mount to do Butcher Bash. Alright. Crane minigame. Slug cost 3. See what I get. Oh, we got an Edgar. I want to try getting a few plushies. Bendy. Okay. I'll try getting one more plushie. It's another Edgar. Are you kidding me? Okay, we got a Carly plushie. A Carly plushie. Alright. Alright. New toy added to Safe S collection. So, okay. Is this darts? I don't know why I have a feeling it's darts. It is darts, I know it. How do you do that? Oh, throw. What? Oh, I see. Okay. Okay. Oh my god. I feel like the darts is just a bonus thing. Maybe I'm just bad at darts, I don't know. To go back to Artist Rest and try and get those, the gent stuff, like the, what are they called? The fuses. No. I'm not doing that. Not this time. Okay. Alright, fuse found. I do want to try and, like, unlock the projectionist, but, like... Okay, that's a slug. Like, it has something to do with the hearts. Like, I don't know, like... if it's when it's guaranteed. Okay, go. I don't know why the X key turns it, like, the opposite direction. Hi. Okay, I want to fully explore this room first. Okay. Okay, weapon component. Okay, I haven't found, like, another, like, fuse. Like, do those, like, only, do those only appear, like, once? Like... That's not the case, because I remember getting them twice. Okay, finally another area I haven't explored yet, and there's nothing in there. Are you kidding me? I don't know where anything is. I don't want to abandon this run. Because I found a weapon component and, another fuse, so... I gotta find the areas I haven't explored through yet. Oh. Oh god, there's two of them. A box of gen sticks. God. Makes like gargling noises. Okay. Nothing. Finally, another fuse. Okay. So that's 5. So I need one more. Could it be in here? No. Hi. I'm pretty sure that gen sticks do nothing. What is it? What is the point of them? I don't see that. That's the one part that's confusing me. Okay, no thing in there, and there's nothing in there. Okay. So this room is officially useless. Have I been out here? No, I have not. Okay, one last item right there. I just need to see if... Oh, hi. I just need to see if they're... Hi. I need to see if there's any more things I can find. Hi. I want you as far away from me as possible. Could this be a fuse? No. No, it is not. Okay, I'm gonna collect the last item, and then I'm gonna get out of here. And then I'm gonna re-enter, and then I'm gonna find the last fuse. Gonna wait for him. Oh boy, here we go. I went the wrong way, didn't I? Okay. The camera turned, man. Can I hide in here? Okay, I can. Okay. I'm gonna wait for him to get a really far distance, and then I'm gonna go over and drink the soup, and then I'm gonna run. Did I just hear a bat? Okay, go. My god, he's quick! Okay, I've been here. Ooh, soup, nice. Yes! Take that! Okay. So, how many fuses does it say? 5 out of 6, okay. I'll search for the last one, and I'll cut until I find the last one. Favorite bone, yes! And it increases my speed, oh yeah. Bowling ball? Oh, that's for bowling, right? It's a bowling minigame. Wait a minute. Oh, wait. I remember. Oh, fuse. Okay. You're gonna find all the items now. That's my main goal now. Okay, we did it. Okay. I can do this now. Alright. I know how to do this. Oh. Oh, they changed the high score to 10. What? It didn't let me move. Oh my god. I know how to do this. This is just as hellish as I remembered it. Oh. I heard something. Alright. Okay, it's called Fuse Ball. There's another box.
It's been quite a struggle to put this into words, Nathan. After so many years, you know I'd never ask unless But when a man's in a spot, he should call upon his friends. Truth is, well, the studio is coming up a little short. Hit a few unexpected bumps. If you could lend us the amount I mentioned in my last letter, it would be a big help to me. Hope this reaches you in South America. You and Tessa enjoy your vacation.
Okay. So we got 3 mystery boxes so far. Let me check. Let me check real quickly. Yeah. That's the scraps, that's the box, that's the foosball thing. I'm only wondering, how do you, like, get the projectionist? That's what I'm wondering. Do you have to collect enough hearts? Why not? Bad luck. Are you kidding me? Okay, heart found. I didn't know those guys appeared here. Ow. Idiot. Oh, he's back? What? Okay. I'm already on 1 hit point. That was so risky. Oh my god. Risky, but I did it. He's going up there while I go over here. Are you kidding me? I have to go up there. It's like the game saw through my sneaky facade and said no. Oh, I can still go this way though. Okay. Slug found. Okay. Okay, good. Good. Where are the what are they called? The bacon soup, like. Also, why am I suddenly finding so many lockers? Like, oh hi. I didn't even realize that guy was there. Nothing. Where's the bacon soup? I need it. Fisher? That's not the best time. Oh my god. Okay, slug. Okay. I need bacon soup. I can't, like, do anything. Well, that sucks. Okay. Oh. I forgot the... Okay, hold on. We'll just beat this again. Alright, there we go. I need to save after everything. That's what I gotta do. Okay, I'm gonna go to the bowling thing, and then I'm gonna... Because I have a bowling ball. Right? Or did I forget to save that as well? Oh. Oh, the mallet. Right, I have that. And I have the bowling. Okay, that's cool. Neato. Do I get a prize for, like, getting all the cans? Let's try that. Wait. Is there any reward for getting everything? There's nothing. I don't think there's anything. Okay, I'm leaving bowling. I'm gonna try the mallet game, like Butcher Bash, isn't it?
Get ready, here we go.
Lacey's high score. Oh. Oh, play it right.
And action.
What? 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 What?
Don't give up, try again.
Nah, I'm trying that again. Dude. It doesn't let me click.
Don't give up, try again.
How's anyone supposed to get 10,000? So, I ended up getting to 10,000. I ended up beating Lacey's high score. And the reason I wanted to do that is because I thought that it would unlock something, like the bouncy minigame where you got Wally's high score. But the thing is, it didn't unlock anything. Everything else in this room, besides the claw machine that gives you the plushies, it doesn't give you anything. It gives you nothing. And I spent so long doing this thing, and it didn't even matter. And I'm so mad about that, because I've been struggling with this game for, like, more than, 20 minutes. Like, I've been struggling with this stupid arcade machine for 20 minutes, and guess what? It doesn't even get you anything. So I'll just show you the sped up process of me getting to the successful attempt.
Don't give up, try again. And action. And action.
This is the one. Once it doesn't like me. It was the one.
Congratulations. Just had to believe.
You just had to believe. So what did that give me? Did that do nothing? That did nothing. It did nothing. Oh, wait. Oh, that's how you unlock Norman. Oh. Okay. Okay, I'll go into the abyss, and then I'll collect a heart. At least one heart. And then I'll beat Norman. Since this video was already 45 minutes, and it took me so long to find the last heart and successfully leave the floor, I'm gonna cut to my successful attempt of doing so. Fine, I'll spin it this time. That's why I didn't want to spin it. That's exactly why. What did he drop? Oh, box of gem sticks. Okay. Oh, and there's the heart. Dude, why does my aim suck now? Please work. Oh my god. And there's nothing in here. Are you kidding me? I need to find, like, the last two items. Like, where in the heck are they? Last item. Okay. Finally! Okay. Alright. It's projectionist time.
The curiosity of the wolf had released a new foe, a creature from the darkest abyss. The projectionist.
Yeah-oh. Abyss. Oh, it just says abyss. And of course I missed. Okay. Can you not? Okay. Okay. I feel like this is gonna be difficult. Okay, that's the closest to the exit, so I'm gonna not pick it up yet. Oh no. No. What? He just teleported. So, no bacon soup stations. I haven't found any hearts. Like, these levels are huge. Like, I knew they were big from, like, the teasers, but I didn't know they were this big. Of course I missed. Bro, there should be more bacon soup stations, man. Dude. Okay, I think there's a bacon soup station up there. Oh. Wait, is he alerted over here? Oh crap. Oh crap. Okay. Okay, the projectionist is alerted to your location when you pick up a heart. It's just like Chapter 3 from, Bendy and the Ink Machine. Neat. Alright. Can you not? I'm not in the mood for the striker. I missed. Okay. Okay. Right. Oh, hi. Don't exist. What? I wasn't paying attention to my health. Are you serious? Everything was going so well, man. Alright, attempt number 2. What the Fisher? Box of gem sticks. Wow. That was useless. Are you serious, man? Even though I found a use for them in the next video, I had the max amount of gem sticks, so the one that Fisher dropped was still useless. I really gotta pay attention to my health this time. Oh my god. Oh god. Alright. Okay, this heart's the closest. So... Oh, hi, Piper. hi. Go away. Okay. Oh god, he's that way. Okay. Oh.
The projectionist searched the darkness for the wolf, unaware of another evil hunting nearby.
Wait.
In the chaos, Boris ran back to his safe house.
That wasn't the ink demon. Escape the monster of the abyss. That wasn't the ink demon. That was the keeper. Okay, I'm gonna go to bed and I'm gonna record possibly another part of this video tomorrow. So I'll see you guys then.